Hi, I am Thor Magnusson, founder of the Peace 2000 Institute. Sometimes at Christmas, I have flown Santa Claus with gifts to children in war-torn countries. Our gifts have brought a little light, love, and compassion at difficult times. This Christmas, I want to find an Israeli and Palestinian couple that can unite the two nations with their love as they walk with their donkey from Nazareth to Bethlehem, just like the parents of Jesus did 2,000 years ago. I want to be there with my camera to share with you what transpires as they walk through checkpoints and gates of the segregation wall currently surrounding Bethlehem. Imagine all the people living life in peace is the inspiration from John Lennon will bring along as our key to open the gates. I need your support, your love, your compassion for this project. I will reward you with this image I took of Lady Gaga and Yoko Ono in October at the Lennon Grant for Peace ceremony in Reykjavik, when on the spot Lady Gaga delivered this wonderful message to the world: breathe compassion. Thank you.